Now that we are able to save and retrieve our data from Redis with the help of Redis OM, how do we make sure that the data available in Redis is always the valid data? That is, how do we make sure that outdated data can be expired automatically? In order to do that, Redis OM provides two simple solutions. The first one is to pass a time to live directly on the document, and the second one is to create a field that will determine the time to live of the document. So let's dive into the code in order to see what this entails. Let's go to our code and let's go to our document. Here, right, we can define the time to live on the document. So if we say time to live equals to 30 seconds, for example, this will ensure that all objects created from this document will just have 30 seconds to be present in Redis. After 30 seconds, they will be deleted automatically, or they will be removed from Redis by the system automatically. So if I run this now, you will notice that all objects will have just 30 seconds to be present in Redis. So let's go to Redis Insight and refresh. And now you can see that, right, 24, 24, 24. So it's decreasing. So if I refresh it again, it will be less than, it'll be 15. So 13, 12, you know, after every second is reducing. So after 30 seconds, all the items will be removed completely from our Redis instance. You see, so it becomes empty. So it was deleted automatically after 30 seconds. So that is what we use the time to live for. And another way to do that is by defining a time to live property as a field. Let's say we have a long, let's just call it expire time, for example. The name is not important. What is important is the annotation. So we can say time to live here, right? So we can say by default this can have a time to live of 60 seconds, right? This is a long, so we can have it like this, 60 seconds. One thing very important is that this has precedence over this. So if both methods are used in a particular document as it is right now, this has priority, high priority over this, right? So this value will override the time to live. So let me run it again so that you can see what I'm talking about. So now the application is running. So if I go to Redis OM and I refresh, right, you will see that the time to live was 1 minute. As it's reducing, every second is reducing, right? So this shows that the time to live value here overrides what we have here, right? So you're not obliged to use both of them. You can decide what suits your use case and decide to use it. So thank you for watching. That's how simple it is to use Redis OM for whatever reason you want to use it for. Let me know what you think about it. If you have any other solution, propose it in the comment section below. Like the video if you like what we are doing. Send it to anyone you think may be interested. And stay tuned and see you in the next video.